I am your father.
Hi everybody, I'm Sarah, and today I have with me my dad. Today we're gonna make 3 Star Wars inspired Father's Day DIYs because my dad was the one who first had me watch Star Wars. Do you remember watching Star Wars with me the first time?
No.
I figured you didn't. It was on TV.
I remember watching with my mom when I watched it in the 70s at the theater.
When, like the day it came out?
Well, pretty close this first week.
That's so cool!
Grandma she loved it.
Ah, that makes me happy. First, we are going to make a Galaxy's Best Dad trophy with Darth Vader on it. And then we're going to do 3 different Star Wars themed golf balls. And last one is a Star Wars picture frame. Little Scrabble letters and a little tiny Darth Vader in it.
Are you insinuating something?
That you're Darth Vader. The Imperial March was your ringtone on my phone for like 3 years. So tell us in the comments, when was the first time that you saw Star Wars? And who did you watch it with? Give us a thumbs up if you like Star Wars. I like, yay, you got 2 thumbs up. Do you even have a YouTube account?
No.
You should also subscribe since apparently my dad can't subscribe to me. So let's get started. Step number 1, take a glass that kind of looks like a little goblet, and we're gonna just paint it gold. For a little bit of this in here.
Do I get to paint?
Yeah, you can paint.
I've watched you on your other videos.
Hey, okay, Vaughn. Well, you can paint it. I feel a little bad. You're making your own Father's Day present. All right, while you are working on that, I'm gonna work on the stencil because we're gonna put Darth Vader's head on there. Okay, while he's working on that, I right here have this stencil thing. I don't have a printer, so you know what I'm gonna do? DIY hack. You can just trace it on an iPad. I'm gonna tape down the stencil to make mistakes.
You're going to trace that?
Yeah. I just traced out Darth Vader over the iPad. No paper, no printer required. Caution, blade is very sharp. Do not cut yourself.
That's it.
Yes. You can ask a parent for help.
Your father is not a surgeon.
No. You can really good at flying airplanes, though. So for the base, we're gonna use a flower pot. I just gotta rip this little bush out.
You want me to rip it out?
No, I can do it. Ta-da! Oh, hey, this works really better than I thought it would. It's got a weight in the bottom, so it's really sturdy. So I'm gonna take these stickers out. Galaxy's Best Dad.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
If you need to try and keep it even, you can kind of look at the top there and try and keep it even around. So like, I'm like an apostrophe out of the corner of a V. There we go. We made our own little apostrophe. Ah! Doesn't it look good?
It does.
This is actually an easy DIY that little kids can do. Alright, so you need to paint your little Darth Vader. Oh, that looks really good. Well, when all that dries, we're gonna use E6000 and then glue Darth Vader to the front and the top of the trophy to the base, and that'll be done. You can also fill up your Galaxy's Best Dad trophy with your dad's favorite snacks. Next up we have Star Wars golf balls. We're gonna do it a little R2-D2 Death Star from BB-8. Take a marker and make the top half of R2-D2 silver. Take a rubber band, see if it looks pretty good all the way around. That way you have a guide. So you got it, the like nice little line there with the rubber band.
I can do that.
Okay, yeah, you can color the top of him. We've got a little R2-D2 here, so we could sit in here. And then do another line all the way around. We have a ring around, not the Rosie, we have a ring around the R2. 6 little segments on the top of R2's head. And draw a little square for his eyeball. Got a big black circle in the middle of that. Now I'm gonna fill in the area around that with blue. Now he's got a little red dot. I'm just gonna do basic blue rectangles and just make 3 little lines across the front. This silver covers things really well. So you can just go in and clean up any smudgy edges. There we go.
Whoa.
With BB-8 here. Let's put on an eyeball. There's 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. So I do a circle all the way around the center. And then 2 circles around the top. So now we're gonna add some little rectangles to make him look more droid-like. We'll put another line down here. Okay, now time to draw his little circle thing on the front. I'm gonna do another circle right there. Just look at a picture of BB-8 and he's a sphere, so it's not that bad to copy. There we go.
That's awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For our last golf ball, we're gonna do the Death Star. We painted the Death Star black. If you happen to have a black golf ball, awesome. It should be easy now because all we gotta do is draw some lines to make it look like the Death Star. Teensy tiny little spot that I'm marking as my top center. And so I'm gonna draw a circle around that. And then we're gonna make another circle. And that means you draw a line straight down to the circle, boop, like so. And then some little lines out. Kind of like it's like a target. And there we are. So where's our little rubber band? Oh, it's right underneath. All right, behind the rubber band. Until you feel like it looks like you've got the center. All right, we've got our center line. Let's do another circle parallel. Slightly closer to this equator than a little Arctic circle. A little line down there to connect them. Then do another line all the way around. Also a line straight across the top dividing this. So let me just go ahead and do that grid. We're just gonna make it look like a little globe. Yay! We're on to our third and final DIY. We're going to start. You can actually open the Scrabble letters and I'll show you what we're going to spell out. We're going to say you or my father. So you can look up for the letters and I'll start taking this apart. And we got our little Vader. Where is he? Oh, here he is. He's getting blended in. I'm going to sign the back of the map for you. We need to place these out on the little mat. Where's our E6000? There it is. And a toothpick.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Tell us which one of these is your favorite, because I honestly don't know. I really, really like Galaxy's Best Dad here. Thank you guys for watching. Happy Father's Day to fathers out there. Happy Father's Day to you, and may the Force be with you.
Yay.
See you next time. I didn't even know that I was gonna wear this shirt today. I got it just for this.
I do like that shirt.
It's actually a little boy's shirt. It didn't belong to a little boy. I just bought it from the boys toddler section. Maybe you could send one to Grandpa, and then you could have him watch the video and be like, "I made this for you."
Yeah, he'll die laughing. That's for sure. Hey, Dad.
Oh, I think it looks
They're
so
all my
cute.
favorites.
Oh,
Good.